Hello my dear friends, my name is Aurea and this is DIY with Aurea. Welcome to my channel. Today I am collaborating and the theme is Sweetheart Tear Trade, hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, Buckeye Girls Decor and Lifestyle, At Home with Lisa, Deborah Cabasa Home Living, Anna Lee Cupboard, Penny's Lifestyle Living, and Marilyn's Cozy Lifestyle. I will be leaving the links to their channels down in my description box along with the playlist. Make sure to visit all of them, subscribe, like, and share so like that we can all grow together. I'm gonna be building my own tier trade. I'm gonna spray all 3 plates with Rust-Oleum white paint, and I got this plate from Dollar Tree, and these other 2 plates here I'm going to be recycling them. It's a charger and a medium-sized plate, and here's the one that I just painted, and I'm also going to be repurposing this one as well. I have some gemstones inside only because I want to make sure that it's not going to be tilting over. I'm going to go ahead and start building it with lots of hot glue. And as you can tell, I'm using vases as the pillars. This vase, I got it at Dollar Tree. This is so beautiful. And the reason why I'm using hot glue is because if I wanted to repurpose these pieces, I can just take them apart and reuse them for a different project. Okay my friends, so now this is completed and now it's time to go ahead and decorate this beautiful tier tray. Just sit back, relax, and enjoy a little bit of music while I decorate this beautiful tier tray. And this is it, my dear friends. I hope you have enjoyed the way that I decorated this tier tray. And if you did, please give me that big thumbs up. When you give me that big thumbs up, it does help my channel. And it also tells YouTube that you like my content, and it just pushes my videos to other viewers just like you. And don't forget, if you have not subscribed, I hope that you do consider subscribing. Like that, I can see you in my next video.